Hello! Today we're going to draw a big bad wolf, a bit like the one in the Little Red Riding Hood story. So I've started by drawing an egg shape, and here is another one, a little larger. Sometimes we call these ovals. For the legs, like so, and then I've got this line for the foot. With regards to the head, the snout comes this way. Think of it as a triangle, and you're going to cut off a tip here, and we've got two other triangles here, like so. This will be the beginnings of our wolf, and this line, the tail and the hands. We're going to personify the wolf. So the wolf, in actual fact, is coming along with his feet and walking like a human being. So over here we're sketching, we've got the ears, the eye. If you try to imagine this here as a square, the eye's in this quadrant here. This is where we've got the nose, like so, the little claws that can come out here, and then it depends on what your wolf is doing, like so, and then here thicker thighs, and it comes down, and the little foot, like so. Now we can't just have one leg for the wolf, so we can have the other one coming along here. The tail nice and bushy, like so. And this is the beginning before we go into the pen outline. Now it's time to take a felt tip pen and to start the details of your wolf. I've added a bit of a shaggy line because the wolf is furry. Here's the nose, and he has his sharp teeth. Up here, and then it goes down to the chin line. This fur type tummy comes here. Note that the line crosses over. This hand is behind on the other side. Here we have the other one in the forefront. His claws, a bit of a jagged fur happening like that. Across his tummy, now again, we are going to do the hind leg, like so, bit of fur coming down, and here we have the little claws, like so, like this, with the tail like so, and the same with along the back. This is the ear on the front, comes this way. The eye, because he's a bad wolf in this case, he's being very naughty, we've got a bit of a evil eye happening there. And let's not forget this other foot here, like so. And this completes this simple little wolf. A cartoon style can vary from artist to artist. This here is a rectangle, and here is another rectangle. To draw my big bad wolf, I can add two little triangles for the ears. Now this one is absolutely raging, so his hands are up in the air like so. I'm going to curve off this chin area. He's going to have his tail about here and his legs like so. Now this is a very simplified version. So we can have his eyes. Normally you only have one eye on the side of the face, but some cartoonists like to exaggerate like so, and this is where we would have the nose and then the mean little mouth with all the teeth. So how to draw that then with a felt tip pen becomes a little easier than the previous drawing. So you could have your little pointed ears like so, and across the face here you can actually come up a little bit for the nose like so, the teeth, that good zigzag line there, underneath the chin then can come through like this, like so, and you've got these little skinny arms like so. And for the tail, and for his little legs, shaggy. Another foot. But this is just very, very simple, like drawing, utilising two rectangles as the main part of the face. And let's not forget this little hand up here. And voila, paint him black, colour him in black, and you have this little angry looking wolf. Another way I'd like to show you today as well is what if your little wolf is sort of front on like so, with nice little pointy ears, and you can have a long skinny nose like so, and he can be bending over. Perhaps he's rubbing his hands together thinking, aha, I'm going to get that little Red Riding Hood. So here we go with his little feet like so, and his little hands coming across here like this. Or maybe he's becoming a bit of a vegetarian and eating berries because he cannot eat little girls with red capes. And here we go on this side, and like so. We'll do downward eyes like this, and his little pointed nose like so. Remembering that after you've done the line work, you rub out all those lines that you've got there, the pencil lines. It's got sneaky eyes, this one. And see, you can see here, the pencil work really helps when you do the outlining. And you carry that through. And that's the beginning of your little wolf. You might add some little fur type marks like so. Oh, little bad wolves there. Or this style over here. It gives you a bit of an idea of how you can draw different wolves.